Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a mocktail called Orange Lime Relaxer. For those of you who haven't heard of this before, it's a classic mocktail. So for this I will need 20 ml of lime juice. It goes inside my cocktail shaker. 1 part or 200 ml of orange juice and 1 part or 200 ml of lemonade. It's pretty easy, very simple. It's really refreshing because it's got a lot of citrus in it. Vitamin C as well. Put it in the shaker and so now I'm just going to add a couple of lime wedges to the glass before I pour my orange lime relaxer into it. Really refreshing drink. For those hot summer days, this is the perfect mocktail. Cheers everyone. It's really refreshing. I hope you like this. Please try this at home. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode and another easy recipe. Till then, take care everyone. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making one of the classics and a very popular cocktail called Pina Colada. So I'm going to start with putting ice in the cocktail shaker. Now for some white rum. Now I'm going to add in some Malibu, but what you can do is you can add coconut milk, but I would prefer adding Malibu. For anything tropical, you know, you need pineapple juice. Pineapple juice going in, and that's about it. Okay, I'm just going to muddle this together. So I will be using this glass and add a little pineapple wedge to it. Pour my cocktail over it. Also throwing in chopped pineapples just for a little garnish. Your Pina Colada is ready. Very simple, easy to execute and absolutely delicious. Do try this at home and do not forget to like, subscribe and comment Desi Bites. Keep watching. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, take care. Hey guys, welcome to Desi Bites. I hope you all are good. Today I'm going to be making another cocktail and it's called an Absolute Stress. First spice in the cocktail shaker. Then I'm going to use 30 ml of vodka. I'm using Stolichnaya. 30 ml of dark rum, in this case Old Monk. Peach schnapps, about 20 ml. A little bit of orange juice. A little bit of cranberry juice. I don't want too much of cranberry because it's really sweet. But first we will shake this up. And serve it up in this glass. There you go guys, an absolute stress. you enjoyed this easy yet delicious cocktail recipe. Keep watching Desi Bites for more fun videos coming your way. And do not forget to like, subscribe and comment in the comment section below. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a mocktail called Noito. Mojito obviously has vodka, but this is just with lemonade and a couple of things as we go along. So first we'll take some mint leaves and put them in a cocktail shaker. You can leave some for the garnish on top. Take about 15 ml of lime juice, 10 grams of brown sugar. Then this is lemonade, 200 ml. You add that in. Throw in a couple of ice cubes. Lid on. And we're ready to serve. So for this, I'm just going to throw in a couple of lime wedges, few of the mint leaves. Pour this on top. There you have it, the Noito, a classic mocktail, ready to serve. Make sure you try this at home because this is very easy and delicious for the times when you don't want to have a cocktail. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode and another easy recipe. See you all.